In front of me is a Honor 20E, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, all you want to do is pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me looks like it's actually not added by default. So I'm going to tap on this pencil icon right up here, and it should be somewhere in here. There we go, Not Disturb mode. So you want to grab it, and then you can drag it on top, drop it, and it will be added. So once you see it in here, you can either tap on it to immediately turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, or you can hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you have a couple options. So we have the schedule mode, so you can add a schedule or just use the one that has existed along with editing it. Now if you're planning to use that schedule, just make sure that it's turned on right here, and that's all you need to do. And for manual use, you can turn it on right here or by tapping on a toggle. And below that we have a couple options. We have calls, messages, and a ring for repeated callers. So there we go, those are all the options. Customize them to your liking, and from there you can close this. And once you want to actually enable the Do Not Disturb mode, tap on it, select enable, and now it's on, which you can see right here, that tiny moon icon. And also when you look at the icon right here, it is right now bluish to signify that it is enabled. Once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to disable it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.